Hey, what is up everybody? It is Alex, and today I thought I'd come and show you a room tour, so I'm pretty stoked about that. The reason I'm sitting on my floor is because the best lighting is right here, so I'm stoked. But let's go to my room. Hey lovelies. So today I thought I'd show you guys my room. This is not a permanent room. I moved to a different province for a few months just so I could make some money, and then I'm moving back, and then when I'm back I could show you my actual room, but for now this is what I have. I tried to keep it cute and girly and like close to home, so I hung up things that have meaning to me, so I will show you everything that I love. Also today the sun is treating me very well and I'm just feeling myself. I don't know. Ew, I look like a zebra. Anyways guys, that is my room. There's not much to it, but I thought I'd show it off because I love it. It is so aesthetically pleasing, and it, I don't know, it just does the job. It does what a room has to do. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching.